Good morning, children. This week we are going to see a lesson from natural science, organ system in human organ system in living organism evolved from the simplest form to complex level of organization. Living organism இப்போ human பேசிக்கா ஒரு single cell இருந்து தான் டெவலப் பண்ணாங்க இல்லையா அமீபா இப்படி various phylum and then finally we end with so in evolutionary line we are stand at the last now. Cells are the basic and fundamental unit of an organism. So the cells combine together form a tissues and tissues into organs. Many organs combine together form an organ system. Many organ system forming an entire organisms. So here various type of organ system was given and organs present in the organ system and functions of that also given. That also given in your book also you go through. In among these organ system every year you will see three or more system. So in this lesson we are going to see digestive system, excretory system and a reproductive system. So this is a general chart. Skeletal system na enna irukum, muscular, nervous, circulatory, respiratory, the digestive, excretory and reproductive detailed you are going to study. Then sensory system na enna, endocrine system na enna. So what are the functions carried over by these different types of system? So ivla system சேர்ந்ததுதான் an organism. Human digestive system. So process of nutrition begins with intake of food, that is called ingestion. So during digestion, breakdown of large insoluble food molecules into smaller simple soluble. So that action was done by enzymes, that is called digestion. So digestion, so food digestion is carried over by digestive system. This is the overall diagram of digestive system in human from mouth to anus. So various part, every standard you might have studied about the digestive system, I think. So now mouth. So mouth leads into the buccal cavity. It has a large space bound above by the palate. Gum மாதிரி இருக்குல்ல அதான் palate. And inside that teeth is present. It is meant for holding, cutting, grinding and crushing the food. So humans have two sets of teeth in its lifetime. They are called diaphodont. Organ system in and then already we told that is why it is called diaphodont. The temporary milk teeth was replaced by second set of 32 permanent teeth. So it is called diaphodont. Tooth has root fitted in the gum. So that is called thecodont. And permanent teeth are four types: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. So they are called as heterodont. So here the dental formula was given. So in the first set is a temporary set and the second set is the permanent. So T 2 1 2. So இல்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா molar incisor canine அந்த மாதிரி வரும். அது மேல இருக்கிறது upper jaw, கீழ இருக்கிறது lower jaw அது மாதிரி. Okay. So different kinds of teeth பாருங்க, premolar, canine, molars and incisors. இதைத்தான் நம்ம ஃபார்முலாவா எழுதுறோம். Human digestive system. So process of nutrition begins with intake of food, that is called ingestion. So during digestion, breakdown of large so here you can see the picture of three pairs of salivary gland: parotid, submandibular, sublingual. It secretes saliva 1.5 liters per day. So it digests starch by the action of ptyalin. A ptyalin enzyme is present in the saliva. So the ptyalin act on starch and convert polysaccharide into disaccharide. So polysaccharide means it consists of many glucose molecule. Other two glucose molecule உள்ள ஒரு disaccharide மாத்துது. And it has another antibacterial enzyme that is called lysozyme. Suppose any bacteria or virus is taken by food, along with food, it was killed inside the mouth itself with the help of saliva, that is an enzyme present there, that is lysozyme. Tongue. Buds are present. So masticated the food in the buccal cavity and becomes bolus. It is rolled by the tongue and passed through the pharynx and esophagus for swallowing. இங்க பாருங்க எத்தனை கைண்ட் ஆஃப் டேஸ்ட் இருக்கு பாருங்க. ஃப்ரண்ட் டிப்ல ஸ்வீட், சைட்ல சால்ட்டி, பேக் ஆஃப் த சைட்ல சோர், அட் மோஸ்ட் பேக்ல பிட்டர். There are 4 different set of taste buds are present in the tongue. So due to that reason we are tasting the foods. Then pharynx and esophagus. Pharynx serves the pathway for the movement of food from mouth to esophagus. Or passer மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு. Esophagus 22 cm in length that pass the food to the stomach. From pharynx to the stomach by peristalsis. ஒரு movement, ஒரு சீஷோர்ல சீல எப்படி waves வரும் அத மாதிரி waves மூலமா அது பாஸ். Then stomach, it is J-shaped muscular organ. Inside that gastric glands are present. It secretes a juice called gastric juice. The gastric juice contain mucus, hydrochloric acid, renin, pepsin. அப்படினு 4 important products இருக்கு. Pepsin act on proteins. அந்த இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சலைவா ஸ்டார்ச்ல ஆக்ட் பண்ணிச்சு. இங்கே பெப்சின் வந்து ஸ்டமக்கில் உள்ள பெப்சின் புரோட்டீன், நம்ம சாப்பிட்ற புரோட்டீனில் ஆக்ட் பண்ணுது. ஹைட்ரோக்ளோரிக் ஆசிட் கில்ஸ் த பாக்டீரியா. அங்கே லைசோசைம் இருந்து பாக்டீரியாவை கில் பண்ணால் இங்கே ஹைட்ரோக்ளோரிக் ஆசிட். ஸோ த ஆக்ஷன் ஆஃப் கேஸ்ட்ரிக் ஜூஸ் இஸ் அ churning ஆஃப் ஃபுட். அது எரிக்கிற மாதிரி. So now the food gets a semi-solid stage that is called chyme. Semi-digested food called chyme. So now next it is passed on to the intestine, small intestine. So the duodenum, color differentiate பண்ணிருக்கு பாருங்க. Duodenum is the first part of small intestine. Then jejunum ஒரு greenish-ஆ கொடுத்திருக்கு. அடுத்து parrot greenல கொடுத்திருக்குது ileum. Then appendix. So இதுல duodenum, jejunum, ileum இந்த 3 பார்ட்டுமே small intestine தான். அதுக்கு மேல உள்ளது பாத்தீங்கன்னா large intestine. So left sideல இருக்கிறது பாத்தீங்கன்னா ascending colon. So horizontal வர்றது transverse colon and then descending colon. மேல இருந்து கீழ இறங்குது அது descending colon. Then rectum, anus. This is the part of large intestine. 5 to 7 meter. Duodenum is she-shaped. Jejunum middle part of the small intestine. The intestine secrete a juice called intestinal juice. And it contains enzymes sucrase, maltase, lactase and lipase. Concerned sugar molecule was digested by this kind of enzyme. For example, இப்போ சுகர் கேன்ல சுக்ரேஸ் இருக்கு, சுகர்ல அந்த சுக்ரோஸை சுக்ரேஸ்ங்கிற என்சைம் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணும். மால்டேஸ் இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மால்டேஸ் வந்து ஃப்ரூட் ஜூசஸ்ல இருக்கு. அந்த மால்டோஸை கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணக்கூடிய என்சைம் மால்டேஸ். லாக்டேஸ் மில்க்ல. லைபேஸ் நம்ம சாப்பிட்ற ஃபேட்டை டைஜஸ்ட் பண்ற என்சைம். Ileum, it's the lower part of the swine and opens into the large intestine. It has minute finger-like structure called villi. Then the digested food was absorbed here. And then duodenum receives juices, digestive juices from liver, bile from liver and pancreatic juice from pancreas. That also poured in the initial part of the small intestine, that is called duodenum. So again we gave the picture. Esophagus, stomach, duodenum, ileum, jejunum, ileum and large intestine எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா left sideல இருக்கிறது ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, rectum, anus, where that small and large intestine connect, and that region contain a small tube-like structure that is called appendix. So it's the ancestral character. So we are evolved from herbivorous animals அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு இது அடையாளமா இருக்கு. It's an vestigial organ. Because herbivores have a completely developed third chamber to store and digest the cellulose. So due to the food change, it was not used in human being, so it gets reduced and it present as a remnant. ஒரு அடையாளமா இருக்கு, அவ்வளவுதான்.